There is a sacredness in the bonds of sisterhood, a relationship that goes beyond flesh and bone. It's these threads that connect us in the earthly realm, with a love that spans decades, that transcends beyond space and time. Sisterhood is a bond no blood can break, stitched by heaven, sealed by grace. She shows up when life gets hard, with battle cries and a watchman's heart. She bends but doesn't break in the storm. She's the shelter where love keeps you warm. God sent her when I was weak. She was my voice when I couldn't speak. My sister stood strong for me. Oh, when sisters stand in love and faith, heaven comes and takes its place. Laughter drowns out fear and pain. The atmosphere begins to change. Hand in hand we rise and pray. Mountains move, strongholds break. What seemed impossible, God made a way. When sisters stand and believe. She held my hand through birth and grief, through broken dreams and victories. A midwife for my destiny, a life coach that helped me learn to breathe and wiped away my tears. Some sisters are born in your bloodline, others came in God's own time, but each one wore her